New at 5, the family of a 1921 Tulsa Race Massacre victim went to court today hoping to protect the victim's name, image, and likeness. This is a 2-year-long case that Justice for Greenwood has fought for.
Fox 23's Tanya Motorzitsky sat in the courtroom. She shows us the push from the family.
The family of A.C. Jackson are seeking to protect his legacy.
Dr. A.C. Jackson had been working in his hospital all night, tending to his community members. He had sent his beautiful wife to Chicago at the start of the massacre. She begged for him to come with her, and yet he said, I have to stay behind and take care of my community.
Jackson was a prominent black doctor who had a practice on Greenwood. He was killed during the massacre, and a sworn judge witnessed it.
A.C. Jackson was walking home. He got to his home right on Detroit, and 3 or 4 of those white mobsters who was destroying and rampaging Greenwood, they accosted him. And we know this because it's a sworn testimony from a former judge who witnessed this interaction that I'm telling you about.
Now, his family is trying to keep entities like the Greenwood Rising Museum and Hilly Foundation from profiting off of his name. After the lawsuit was thrown out earlier this year, civil rights attorney Demario Solomon Simmons is back in court representing Jackson's great-great-nephew, John Adams, and his family to have Jackson's estate opened.
That judge, who happened to be Caucasians, told those 3 or 4 gangsters, don't harm that man. That is Dr. A.C. Jackson. And they said, we don't care who that is. And they shot him, not once, not twice, but 3 times.
Lawyers representing Greenwood Rising and the Healy Foundation said in court they fear opening the estate because it may cause another lawsuit. I reached out to those entities and I did not hear back. Solomon Simmons says there's property, medical equipment, and books among these entities that belong to or are about Jackson that he says Jackson's family does not have access to. The judge will have a decision in 10 days. Covering news that matters, I'm Tanya Motorzitsky, Fox 23 News.